Hey, how's it going? You know what it is. Caujuan Money Mayo in the building. So we about to do like we always do, which is build this company. Everything we do at a high level, right? And what we're doing today is we're about to show you how we're about to make history with this new travel company, TRVL. So what I want you to do is I want you to pay attention on the growth that we're about to have with Team Elite, because we're looking for people to lock on with us and be able to see the vision as well. What better opportunity than to be able to make money by traveling, doing the things you already love to do, which is taking trips, whether that be international or whether that be domestic, whether that be with family, friends, loved ones, or just getting away and doing something different. Now you're able to do that, but wait a minute, when was the last time you was able to earn from that? And that's what we're talking about here, to be able to earn from doing the things that we already do. You don't have to teach anybody about travel. I mean, do you have to teach somebody how to book a flight? Do you have to teach somebody how to find a place to stay after you book that flight and get to your destination? You have to pay. These are things that we already do on a day-to-day basis. The only difference is you're not getting paid for it. Did you get paid for taking your family, friends, and loved ones to Disneyland last year? Did you get paid for visiting your family on Thanksgiving? Did you get paid for visiting your family on Christmas? I mean, you see where I'm going with this? These are the things that we do. But let's go beyond that, okay? Because we all do these things, right? We go to Thanksgiving, we do our Christmases. When was the last time you did your bucket list? What we talking about? Well, we all got a bucket list, right? Things you want to do before you go. So, when was the last time you was able to do that? Now you can with our bucket list trips. But we're going to talk more about it, all right? So just stay tuned, join us, because it's going to be an awesome ride. How you like it?
Here he is, superstar alert.
Standards companies, we might just sit down. But here in travel, oh, we're gonna rise up. We're gonna deliver that message strong. We're gonna deliver that message from right here, baby. Yes, indeed. Welcome to the Future Millionaires. 30,000 first 30 days, and the countdown is on.
everybody, this is your favorite serial entrepreneur, Dustin Duffy. We are here to travel because we love to travel. You've been following me for a while. I took a break for a little bit, but you've seen me from coast to coast, California, New York, Florida. I love to travel, and I'm here to bring you with me. TRVL, the real vacation lifestyle. We're here to change lives.